Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Hi everybody, welcome to Agamath. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to see how to fill the Navodaya application form for the admission 2021 for the 6th class. So first of all, in the website, what you do in the web address, type www.navodaya.gov.in and just click on enter. So here the website gets open, and in the website itself you can see here, click here to submit online application form class 6 Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya selection test 2021, right? So just click on that link. So here you will get a page. Click here to apply Navodaya Vidyalaya selection test 2021 for admission to class 6. Okay, so now just click here to apply online. Then the new page gets open in the this. So here, so before going to apply, click here to class 6 registration. So first of all, let us see what is the prospectus. So that way, that is better to read the prospectus before you submit your application or you are going to make a registration. Okay. So here we got the application, like a prospectus to be read first of all. Okay, so if you scroll down slowly, we can see that about the total number of schools we have all over India. There are total 661, including all the different states. Okay, so and now we can see here the JNV selection test for admission to class 6 in JNVs for the academic session 2021 to 22 will be held on Saturday 10th April 2021 at 11:30 am. It means the exam will be conducted on Saturday, that is the 10th April 2021, and the timings for the examination are begins at 11:30. Okay, and see here which is more important to remember, that the last date of this online application, that is last date to submit the online application, is 15th December 2020. Okay, so similarly, if you scroll down, even you will get all the details how to fill the application form, and this is the selection procedure. And slowly if we scroll down here, who are eligible, right? So this to be observed very clearly here, this date of birth. So the child birth should born between 1/5/2008 and after, that is the 30th/4/2012. okay, so in this, including these dates, the child should born. And if you scroll down, even if this will apply to all the categories, including those who are being scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and the other backward caste. Okay, so slowly if you scroll down more, so here you will get more so please go through this, reading all these instructions and documents to be submitted after the selection. If a child gets selected, what are the documents to be submitted? Here it's mentioned. Okay, next, how does the selection takes place? Okay, in all the different languages at different states. And here this is the marks you have. So mental ability, there is total 40 questions. Okay, 40 questions, that is carries 50 marks, and 60 minutes is to be given. For arithmetic, 20 questions, so total 25 marks, that is 30. And language test. Okay, so this is a way how do they conduct the exam, and the exam duration is here, it is 11:30 to 1:30, right? So now it is total 2 hours. A singlet booklet is given to a student, and here this is exam how to write like an OMR sheet, how to fill it. Okay, even in the description you can see how to fill the OMR sheet, and these are the, like in mental ability, what are the what we have to learn, that like odd man out, figure matching, pattern completing, series completion, analogy, okay, geometric figure completion, and mirror images, okay, punching hole pattern and space, visualization, embedded figure. Okay, so in this way the application, you just go through all this prospectus. Once you gone through this prospectus, and now here I come, that is click here to class 6 registration. Okay, so now here I just clicked on registration. So let's the page get open. Now once this page gets open, see that have you read this prospectus, so just select it and click on the proceed. So the online for registration in the online, the application gets open now. Okay, yes, this is an application to fill for the admission to class 6th. Okay, so before you start the filling this application, see your certificate to be uploaded. So if you just click here to download, a new application gets open in this. Okay, so that to be filled, and see that candidate's signature. The reservation to the OBC candidate shall be implemented as per the central list. Okay, so candidate signature to be taken as it should be like a scanned copies. Scan the candidate signature, scan the parent signature, scan the candidate's photograph, scan the certificate signed by the parent and candidate. Certificate is nothing that if you click here to download, so it's getting open. Wait. Okay, says this is a certificate to be taken a printout and just fill everything. Okay, so fill all the details, name of the candidate in block letters, means use the capital letters. Okay, father's name, mother's name, date of birth in words, and gender to be marked here, give a tick mark, and the category. Then after, like if no physically, visually, hearing anything, so just give a blank or give a sleeping line there. Okay, next identification mark, mobile number, email, nationality, religion, medium of examination, and here these to be filled very carefully, where the like name of the school of 3rd class where the child studied, and 4th class, 5th class. Similarly, whether the place where he studied, the school located in where, in the 3rd class if it is a rural or urban, or class 4th it is a rural or urban. Location of a school, not the location of a residence of a student. And then month and year of joining, and month and year of passing, name of the block and name of the district, and here this is name of the state. Once you fill all clearly, this signature of the candidate is to be done here, and signature of the parent. Once it's get filled, you just take a scan copy of this. This is nothing that certificate signed by the parent and candidate, and see that size of images should be between 10 to 100 KB for photo, signature or certificate. Then once you scroll down, here you have to select the state in which the candidate is studying. So here you select the state where where the student is studying, that is Telangana, for example, and in the respective state. Okay, then you have to select the district. Okay, district, that means where the student is studying, not where he reside, the school. Okay, then after you just select the district where the student is studying. He is a 5th class. Okay, and then after selecting the district, so you have to select the block, and then enter the name of the school where the 5th class he is studying, his or her. Okay, then name of the candidate, enter the name of the candidate here. Okay, so be careful when you are entering the name, that should be as in the school certificate, and enter the mobile number. So see that mobile number is inactive, because you will receive OTP and many like information when the hall tickets are available, all this. So enter the perfect mobile number which is inactive, then after date of birth, email ID, then after mother's name, father's name, okay, and the identification marks, nationality of candidate, okay, and the gender, and select the category, okay, then medium of the examination, you can select either Telugu, Hindi, English or any other language which is preferable by the student. And then after percentage of disability, if anything is disability you select it, if not leave that. Next, religion to be entered, Aadhaar number, okay, so be careful once the Aadhaar number enters and it's get registered, you cannot fill application form with the same Aadhaar number again, so careful when you enter the Aadhaar number, and the annual income of the parent. Then these are the communication details, like entering the present postal address, pin code, and residential state, like where do they reside, where the student reside, and district where he reside, and the contact number here, telephone number. Then these are the previous school details. So as already we filled the certificate just before, I shown you that this application to be filled. So whatever the things, whatever the details you filled in this application, so seeing into that, fill everything carefully here, like where the student studied in the 3rd class and 4th class in the respective districts, state and the district and the block he has to select. So enter the name of the village, name of the school, okay, these all are school details of a school. These are means location of a school, where the school located in the respective village, okay, whether the school is recognized or not, okay, and the location of the school in which you are rejoined. All these you have in this certificate. That's the reason, first of all, before filling the online application form, please fill this application form and get scanned copy ready with you, and then you start filling this online application, so that will be easier to you all. And then scan photocopy, like passport size photo, and next signature and parent signature. This is student signature, parent signature, and you just give the submit. When you submit, you will get a preview. That it means it shows all the details which you have entered. If everything is correct, then you can give a submit button, and then you will receive a registered number automatically to your mobile. Okay, so this is how the application form is filled. Okay, so if any more queries, doubts you have, just give us a mail at askagamat@gmail.com, or even you can come with a WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 97010696634. Just give us the questions, and we will answer you whatever the doubts you have. And this is how to fill the application form of Jawahar Navodaya for the 6th class. Thank you.